Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be unboxing this package I just got. As you can see, I am working on stuff in the background. I just decided to film this. There'll probably be a whole bunch more unboxing videos soon, because I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. Look at this paper. That's what it is. This is this is 5 TrueAlarm smoke detectors. These are addressable for my 4100U and 4007 ES. The base is actually the addressable part, and the head just goes on it like that. Looks like they're all missing one screw. All of them. So yeah, that's it. We got 5 of these smoke detectors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.